Hey everybody, this is Scott. So thinking about the assignments idea, I really was kind of looking at exit tickets. Looks really good for from a math standpoint right there. I just took one of a concept that we're coming up with, which is about factoring. Um, One concept that we really harp on is factoring by grouping. So I thought, instead of just kind of looking at these assignments or these problems on pen and paper, we could do this all via Schoology. So here's a handful of questions that I might ask, the GCF, and then just factoring by grouping a handful of practice problems like this. So originally, I would probably just print this out, have students complete it by hand, and turn it in that way and grade it. But I think it opens the door pretty well to do this electronically all through Schoology. Um, so to do this was actually rather simple. I could go right on over to my information right here into Schoology. I can go up to Add Materials. I can hit Add Assignment, and up pops a name that I could type in, whatever that is. A little description just to kind of show your work right there. These format options are fantastic. I could do the annotations assignment and select wherever I save that factoring by grouping idea, and it'll open right up. The wonderful thing about this is that it'll make a copy of every single student. It has fantastic annotation tools that students can write on there. All of our students in our school district have touchscreen Chromebooks, so they start to really get a use out of those. So they can write right on their screen. They can mark it up. They can erase as they need to. So that lets them do their math and actually show their work part right there on the screen. You give it a due date of whatever that is. I also like that due date because it also pops up on their Schoology calendar. A lot of our students tend to use that calendar frequently, so if they see something on that calendar, they're like, "Oh, I've got to work on that." So the due date pops up. I changed the point total to be, I think, seven, like 1 point per problem, and that's nice too because my Schoology gradebook also syncs with my Infinite Campus gradebook, which is our school district gradebook. So that's nice. So it's a seamless integration right there to give them the points, and you give it a category right there as well. So that's pretty much it. You just hit create, and it's all set to go. I also like this idea, this green button, this publish to students. That's just if you select it versus unselected. If it's unpublished, that means it's there, it's created, but the students can't see it. So it's almost like you can kind of create and build things as you go, but the students can't play around and figure out whether or not things are there or not unless that publish button is selected. So it was rather easy to make one of these. I plan to use a whole lot more as we go through. It's a fantastic resource and something, like I mentioned, I want to kind of learn a little bit more about and continue to utilize. Thanks, guys. See you later.